Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Scan on iPhone. First, ensure you have the Adobe Scan application installed on your device. You can easily find and download it from the App Store. Once downloaded, simply tap the app icon to open it. The app will likely ask for camera access, which you should grant to begin scanning documents effectively. Now that the app is open, place your iPhone directly above the document you wish to scan. Adobe Scan is quite smart. It uses advanced technology to automatically detect the edges of your document, outlining it with a blue border. If auto capture is enabled, it will take the picture for you. Otherwise, simply tap the large white capture button at the bottom of your screen. After capturing your scan, you'll see a preview. This is your chance to refine it. You can easily crop the image to adjust the borders, rotate it if needed, or even change the color settings to black and white or a clearer color. Don't forget the cleanup tool, which helps erase smudges or unwanted marks, ensuring your document looks professional and pristine. Once you are satisfied with your edited scan, tap the Save PDF button, usually located in the top right corner. You can then rename your file to something descriptive, making it easy to find later. Finally, you have several sharing options. You can email the PDF, upload it to cloud storage like Adobe Document Cloud, or share it through other applications on your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.